Hi, my name is Paula Byrne and I am the Advanced Tax Lecturer for Griffith College. Of course, Griffith College is based in Dublin, we are in Cork and we are also in Limerick. So we have a pretty good spread of the country. So I wanted to come on today to explain to you what you can get from the Paula Byrne Advanced Tax experience. So I bring with me industry experience. I have run my own tax practice since 2002. So I've seen most of what I lecture, I have practical experience of as well, and I shared that with you in the classroom. My method of the delivery is I run a very interactive Zoom. So when I say interactive, what do I mean by that? Students, I'll ask students to politely to please turn on your cameras, and so we can see the white of each other's eyes. Because if I'm looking at you and you're going, I know, oh, they didn't get that point. Or if you're going, then I know, okay, that's fine, they got that point. Or if you're going like this, I think they're bored. I need to make this more interesting. Let me give an example. All right. So I'm very much interactive. Now, you don't have to turn on your cameras if you don't want to. That's fine. Likewise, if you have a question that you want to ask me, don't be typing it in unless you have awful internet. Ask me. So just unmute and just say, Paula, can I just interrupt you there? Fine, no problem whatsoever. Obviously, wait till I get to an end of a sentence before you interrupt me. I also run a very interactive WhatsApp group, being one of the first lecturers to introduce it into Ireland, into the Irish ACCA lecturing circuit, and that has proved hugely successful. That's bouncing. That does be absolutely bouncing about a month before the exams. It's a great resource for students. I get very favourable feedback on it. Also, Griffith College, we have Test Reach. Now, I ask students to do 3 mock exams, and that has given some fantastic results. I've had in the last 2 sittings, I had a prize winner 2020 and also a prize winner in 2019 since the Test Reach, which is absolutely fantastic. And of course, I am when I say that I'm a prize winning lecturer, like, I know I don't actually win the prizes. I know it's the students, but I like to just say, sounds good, doesn't it? I'm a prize winning lecturer. As well as that, I like to do a podcast for my students, and I call it Study for Tax in Your Coffee Break. So there's really no escape from me. So even when you're out for a walk, you put on the old earphones, probably more trendy than this, and then you will listen to me, and it'll be a deep dive on an area. Now, don't worry, they're not too long. They're fine, but just a deep dive on more difficult areas. And that's it, really. I'm very passionate about tax. I like my lectures to be entertaining. I love working for Griffith College. Why do I love particularly about Griffith College is our e-learning department. We've been doing this for years and years and years. And as well as we've got an e-learning department, we also have we have an IT department. So you think of the size of Griffith College. So we have a very, very well-established IT department. So I have never had technical issues. We have adequate cloud space for Zooming, and it's very, very pleasant to teach. So look, that's enough about me. If you'd like to get in touch, please feel free to email me, paula.byrne@griffith.ie. If you'd like to know more about tax, you can have a look on our website. Okay, thank you very much.